Asheville is a wealth of Black and brown history untold, a drop of blue in a sea of red, a refuge for artists, small businesses, and the outdoors. But there's complex conversations here. Once a bustling uptown, the block's adamant Asheville residents are spearheading its regeneration. Because if nothing else is true about communities of color here, they're gonna get the resources they need, even if they have to become those resources themselves. Welcome to Asheville. I'm really excited to be here with both of you, Tanya Marie and Larry of Pathways to Parks here in Asheville. Now, were you both hiking as a couple already?
No.
No?
No.
I grew up in eastern North Carolina,
Okay.
and we were always, my brother and my friends and I, we were always out in the woods. We didn't consider it hiking, but we just played it in the woods. So when she asked me to join the group, I said, "Hey, fine, I'll do that already. I do that already." So.
Well, living in Los Angeles area, I did go skiing.
Yeah.
I did do some hiking. We didn't consider it hiking. We were just walking in the woods and photographing a cactus in the desert. So we were active. So, that was our lifestyle, to be outdoors.
From the time that you've started this whole organization, have you seen a difference? Have you seen more people that look like you and I out in the outdoors and kind of taking part in what you've built?
I can honestly say yes, definitely.
Nice.
And it's interesting because when you see other people of color and they see us, oh, look, there's some of us.
Yeah. It's the nod. I say it's the international, that nod of recognition. I see you. At what age and what part of your life did you start going into the outdoors more?
Well, I will be 70 years old on my next birthday in
Listen.
February. And I started hiking. Our group was formed in 2018. So that's when I started hiking.
You're new.
I'm new.
You're so new to this. And you
Yes.
led us up this mountain, which is awesome. What benefits do you get from it?
So it actually releases stress. It actually helps your circulation. People who are diabetics, it helps them in ways that they cannot even imagine because of the types of exercises that you're doing. And the stress releaser, sometimes people don't even know that they're under a lot of stress.
Yeah.
When you're out in nature and you're breathing that oxygen and you're looking at the sceneries, there's nothing you could think about but what's around you, your surroundings. So believe it, it really does make a difference in your life and a positive impact. And you want to continue to do more.
I love that. Pender, Tanya Marie, thank you so much. I'm really appreciative for it. And thank you for the hike up here today. It was
Oh, well, you're very welcome.
pleasure.
Anytime.